Phrasal verbs, complicated, tricky, and confusing. But they don't have to be.
There's a crazy guy at my high school. He's trying to beat me up.
Wrote it down and read it out.
In today's video, I will show you 25 phrasal verbs in under 5 minutes. Climb up. Climb down. Turn around.
Turn around.
Spin around. Step up. Step down. Push around.
Almost home. Is something wrong?
Jump up. Jump down. If you're enjoying this video and want to keep improving your English, contact us to take a course. At Dynamic English, we offer individual and group courses, all with flexible schedules and all with native English-speaking teachers. Lay down. Look around. Slide down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand around. Fall down. Monkey around. Jump around.
Jump around. Jump up and get down. Everybody jump.
Lay around. Pull up.
What'd you do with your time, pal?
I'm hungry. I'm gonna ask around to see if there's a restaurant nearby. Excuse me, miss?
Nope.
Oh. Excuse me, sir?
Are you crazy?
Nobody wants to talk to me. I know. I'll look up the information on my phone. That's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep watching others like it, you can do so by clicking here. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.